Hey everyone. So, if for some reason you do decide to cancel your membership, you can do that anytime. There are no hostages. If you log into your member dashboard, you go log in and then member dashboard, you'll arrive here and it'll show you which membership you have active subscriptions to and your next rebill date. And you can click cancel right here in your member dashboard. And it's going to take you to log into your PayPal account. And your subscription is completely controlled through your PayPal, which makes it totally secure and very easy to cancel. Also, down below, I'll have a link that takes you to this on PayPal's website that shows how to cancel an automatic payment profile. And you log into your PayPal account, and then you go to your profile at the top of the page. You click My Money, and then you're going to have your list of pre-approved payments. And for daily designables, you look for the one that says Savvy Fox Designs Inc. As I mentioned, when you sign up, the charges will be under Savvy Fox Designs Inc. And you'll have your payment page with all your history, and then there'll be a little link at the top right hand side of the page where you can cancel it. So you can cancel it anytime. It's 100% controlled via PayPal, and if you have any questions, just send me an email.